Hey friends! If you've ever wondered, what books should I read if I want to build real wealth? I've got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down the top books that have genuinely changed my approach to money and could do the same for you. Let's kick things off with a classic Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book hits you with the story of learning from two father figures. One rich, one poor. The big takeaway? Rich people buy assets, things that make them money. Poor people buy liabilities, things that cost them money. It's simple, but it'll totally flip how you look at spending and investing. Next up, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This one's all about mindset. Hill interviewed some of the richest people of his time and found one common thread. Success starts in your mind. Believe you can do it, make a plan, and stick with it no matter what. Persistence is key. Third is The Millionaire Fast Lane by M.J. DeMarco. Forget about waiting 40 years to enjoy life. DeMarco says, use your skills, leverage the internet, and build a business to get rich much faster. It's not about being reckless, it's about being smart and taking calculated risks. Number 4, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book had a huge impact on me because it dives into the emotional side of money. Turns out being rich isn't just about math or spreadsheets, it's about how well you handle your own emotions, especially when the market gets scary. 5th, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. This one asks a powerful question. Is your life really worth the money you're trading it for? It helps you see the true value of your time so you can align your spending with what actually makes you happy. Number 6 is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Don't let the ancient stories fool you. The lessons are timeless. Always pay yourself first, invest wisely, and avoid debt like the plague. Simple rules, but they work. And finally, Unshakable by Tony Robbins. If the stock market freaks you out, this book is for you. Robbins teaches you how to build a solid investment plan and stick to it no matter what's happening in the world. If you're just starting out, I'd recommend this order. First, read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, then The Psychology of Money, and then The Millionaire Fast Lane. These 3 alone will transform how you think about wealth. So which one are you picking up first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Happy reading.